the thing is that we wanted you to enjoy it like a wine. That's why it's in a wine bottle.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because most tequilas are in what they call squat bottles.
Right.
Like the Patron is a squat bottle. That's a traditional Mexican bottle. We basically we took it over. It was started in 2012 by a group of record producers
Okay.
called the Avila Brothers, and they tried to release it like a record would do. So they did the Latin Grammys, they did the Super Bowl parties, they did all that. Basically, they spent their whole marketing budget in 3 days.
Right.
And so they had 2 states. They had New Jersey and Georgia, and it was collecting dust. And so then that's when we got approached in 2015, and I was brought on because I was fluent in Spanish, and they were like, you know, you want to take over for this tequila brand, and it was me and two brothers, a guy named Cole Subtle and a guy named Jerome Dill, and we just took it over.
So completely 100% black owned.
100% black owned.
Man, that is awesome, brother.
Yeah, yeah.
I love it.
And the thing is that you know, the reason I joined on is because again, I've tasted so many tequilas that I marketed to the U.S. It was that, you know, it gives you a headache. You know, because I had radio stations in Las Vegas, and our diet in Las Vegas was Patron, Sprite, and Red Bull. Patron, Sprite, and Red Bull. You know, I gained 30 pounds. You know, but I woke up with headaches every day. I had to have BC powder right by my bedstand.
Wow.
You know, the beautiful thing about Talero is we don't use any, you know, is the cultivation of our blue agave. And I mean, the blue agave is because it's 7,200 square feet above sea level. And the thing is that we don't use any pesticides, we don't use any chemicals on the agave. So that means to you as a consumer is that no headaches, no hangovers. So the whole thing was that we don't want you to, you know, our tagline was good tequila shouldn't taste bad. You know, because most people shoot it is because they, you know, it's the taste.
Right.
They just want to get it over with.
Right.
They just want to
get and get something behind it.
Yeah, yeah. It's called the F&F. When you're drinking tequila, you're either fighting or fornicating.
I love it, baby. I love it.
Yeah.
So does Talero mean anything specifically, or what's the origin or the etymology of the word Talero?
It's Spanish slang for a tall one.
Okay.
And that's why it's in
that's why it's in that nice wine-shaped bottle.
Yeah, wine bottle. Because again, most tequilas are in squat bottles. You know, as you say.
And how did you come up with that beautiful blue color?
Yeah.
I love that color.
That's to represent the blue agave.
Okay.
Yeah. So the blue agave. So you know, you have the highlands and the lowlands, and so the highlands is the high altitude agave. Because most people don't know, Mexico is actually in a high altitude. So like when I was in Mexico City, when I got there, when I did my fellowship there, I had to call my mom back. I was like, Mom, ship me all my winter stuff.
Right.
And she was like, you're in Mexico. It's in June. I'm like, it's like San Francisco.
And
it's a mile high. So it was like 40 degrees. You know, I came down there with none but like tank tops and short sleeves and shorts. And I was like, Mom, ship me my stuff, my winter stuff, because it's cold as I don't know what here. And she was like, I don't get it. And I was like, Mom, it's a mile above sea level. And so, you know, it gets cold in Mexico. Most people don't know that. It gets cold in Mexico. Yeah, and so, you know, that's what it turns to, you know, blue. That's what the agave is.
Okay.
Yeah, and so it's a clean, crisp taste. And so we took it over in 2015. We launched it here in Atlanta at 2016.
Okay. January 2016?
January 1st.
January 1st. Yeah,
with DJ Salah, a guy I've known since high school. You know, he had this thing called Afrotopia, with him and DJ Kimmett. Who was also a Howard grad, and you know, they're part of the what we call the Bohemian Soul or urban, you know, demographic. And we launched it with them. We did special drinks, That was January 1st, 2016, and then we haven't looked back. And so now we get into the point where we're in now 44 states, and we're going to be in 5 countries starting in May.